So today I'm gonna give you guys all my tips on how to wear eyelashes and how to make them last all night. So let's just get into this tutorial. So these lashes are from Bourgeois Cosmetics. I'm gonna have a link in the description box, also a discount code as well. So this necklace is from Bourgeois Boutique. So everything that I'm wearing is gonna be in the description box. You grab it from the ends, guys. And try to be careful because it's easy to pull off these little hairs. Now I got the whole thing off. So this side goes for your inner. It goes to this side. So this goes on this side because the hairs are a little shorter. Let me show you. First I'm gonna put one coat right here. I put one strip of glue. Now I'm going to let this dry. Right, I'm gonna set this on the side. I'm gonna let it dry. Once it dries, I'm going to put another coat. Now, by doing this, your eyelashes will stay on all night. So there's different ways where you can put these lashes on. You can just close your eye and throw them on there, or you can just use the tweezers. Now it's glued everywhere on my lash, but it's fine because once it dries, you can just peel it off. Okay guys, so I already have one lash on, so I'm gonna just put the second one on. So I'm just gonna close my eyes. I'm just gonna fix them. I didn't need a little more glue. Okay. So that's it for my tutorial. I hope that was helpful for you. And I am on vacation, so the vlog to this look and this dress will be up. I'm gonna put it in the description box. So I hope you guys have a great day.